What's up guys? Today I'm gonna do a Carrera, my Carrera wheelie bike, but check out what parts I got, and so yeah, so I'm gonna get into it, I'll break down all the build. Let's go. So we're gonna have a look at the bike, what stands out the most. I'm gonna pick the bars. The bars are Renthal fat bars. You can get them on Notwithstanding Cycles. I got the 35 ones and I cut them down. The stem, Bertec MK3, quite snazzy. I got the stock top cap if you guys are wondering. Grips, audio is pretty grippy and nice. Yeah, so now, oh yeah, brake, Shimano MT200. And the gears, Shimano Altus. Shit, but I ain't got any new ones since I started it. Now, from the back, we're gonna do a collective seat. I mean, it's the same one I've had since I bought it. Obviously, it's gone black, but it's a seat. It's still a weirdy seat, pretty nice. What's it called? CNC quick release seat clamp. Pretty nice. Now we're gonna move on to the bottom half. My back toy's starting to go bored from wheelies. But anyway, as I was saying, grip tape on the frame. If you're wondering what grip tape, it's scattered up, but it's off my old scooter. I had some left over from my old scooter. That's where I got it. Yeah, so this is not the whole, but yep. Oh, as well. Stock pedals, they're called Wellgo. They've got shit bearings in them, but yeah. And let's go on to the front again. Forks, the stock ones, XCM, Centaur, XCM 30, the unlock and lock. But these are shit, so I'm getting RockShox soon. Something weird, but because it's not even important, but I'll just have it, that I found in the house. Ford dust cap, yeah, pretty snazzy. I haven't got a front brake either. Look, the disc is still there, because it'd be hard to take off, but I ain't got one. This is just here, I don't know, it's just a tennis ball found. Carrera wheels, Carrera everything. Oh, car. No, this is my favourite wheelie build so far. Look at how clean it is. I'm gonna get to some clips in a minute. Oh yeah, and I'm also getting a GoPro. I only filmed this video because one of my friends had to go home and the fair's on, so, and I ain't got enough money for the fair, so we're just gonna ride bikes. So what else are we gonna do? Yeah, ride. I'm gonna go ride. So I'll try and get some clips of that. Let's go. The way I'm trying to do this, it might not work well. Right. I might be able to speak if it works. Okay. So, yeah, let's go. Let's stand on the frame. Wait. Oh. Flying car. Landed. Yeah. Now, I don't know if that's good. Weird, but I had the phone in my mouth, so yeah, you gotta tell me how it looks. Please like the video. It's just a short one. This is probably gonna be the end of it. We'll do more riding, but I'm not with anyone, so yeah, let's go.